So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment developing soft skill and personality. Week first assignment first. So the first question is choose the reasons why self-assessment is significant. So the answer of our first question is A. It fosters continuous learning and improvement by identifying areas for development. B. It empowers individuals to take control of their personal and professional development. And F. It promotes self accountability. Now, the second question is Aditya, an independent filmmaker in Mumbai, often felt frustrated during shots when actors improvised lines, throwing his tightly planned schedule off track. He wants to balance creative spontaneity with efficient production. Which action should he adopt? So, these are the options, and the answer of our second question is A. Hold a brief rehearsal before each scenes to set clear parameter, and D. Use storyboard to map essential plot points, leaving some space for creativity. Now, the third question is Sneha feels left out when her friends discuss a TV show she has not watched. She stay quiet and feel lonely. How can she connect better? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is A. Ask her friend to explain the show's plot. B. Suggest watching an episode together. E. Share a hobby or interest she enjoys. Now the fourth question is Suhana, an aspiring writer in Kolkata, frequently shelved her novel draft after her self-criticism, feeling her work was never good enough. She wants to foster a growth mindset and develop resilience. Which practices should she adopt? So these are the options, and the answer of our fourth question is C. Set a weekly goal to revise one chapter rather than aim for perfection immediately. P and E. Reflect on each revision to identify three specific improvement. Now the fifth question is Manu's startup faces backlash for a flawed production. Customers demand refund and investors threaten to leave. His ego resists admitting faults. What reflects a growth mindset? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is A, C, and E. Now the sixth question is Divya is leading one of her school club meeting. One member keeps distracting other by talking loudly. Divya wants to maintain a respectful and productive environment. Which responses would show good leadership and communication skill? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is A and B. Now the seventh question is Kavita's parents compare her grades to her cousins, making her feel inadequate. She wants to handle this without arguing. What strategies can she use? So these are the options, and the answer of our seventh question is A. Explain calmly how comparison affect her confidence, and B. Keep a journal to track her academic growth, and F. Practice positive self-talk like I am doing my best. Now the eighth question is a group of students are working on a class play. Everyone has different ideas for the scene and costumes. Which among the following soft skill are useful for working together peacefully? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is A, teamwork, C, time management, and F, cooperation. Now the ninth question is if you possess spiritual intelligence you would be. So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is compassionate and self-aware. Now the 10th question is identify the pessimistic thoughts from the given option. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is A, C, and E. Now the 11th question is Chirag frequently loses patience with his aging parents when helping them navigate smartphones. Which strategy would most improve his empathy and communication? So these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is B. Now the 12th question is what does the term Kaizen refer to? So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is C, continuous improvement. Now the 13th question is Sahil, a freelance photographer in Delhi, struggled to negotiate fair rates. Which strategy will most effectively strengthen his negotiation position? So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is B. Now the 14th question is what does Stephen R. Covey I suggest people should do before conveying their ideas, feeling, and emotions. So these are the option, and the answer of our 14th question is C. Seek to understand other first. Now the 15th question is a Mumbai's hospital intensive care until staff is overwhelmed due to a dengue outbreak and so on. So the answer of our 15th question is B. Now, the 16th question is what is the most respectful way to give feedback to a classmate who made a mistake during a group activity? So, these are the option, and the answer of our 16th question is B. Give honest feedback politely and clearly. Now, the 17th question is Atma's teacher praises her as a essay but criticize her handwriting. Atma feels defensive. How should she react? So these are the option, and the answer of our 17th question is F. Practice writing neatly for future assignment. Now the 18th question is what is empathy? So these are the option, and the answer of our 18th question is B. Understanding and sharing other feelings. Now the 19th question is Roma has just joined a new school mid-year. Most students already have their groups and she feels left out. She wants to make friends but does not know how to start without being awkward. Which of the following would be good soft skill or acting for Roma to try? So these are the options, and the answer of our 19th question is A. Smile and introduce herself to one or two classmates. Now the 20th question is what does emotional literacy refer to? So these are the option, and the answer of our 20th question is E. Knowing how to manage one's own emotion. Now, the 21st question is Radha, a Gurgaon based designer, felt guarded about sharing unfinished work. To build trust and improve her craft, she began posting rough sketches on a private peer forum, inviting candid criti- critiques and iterating based on feedback. This approach can accelerate her growth and expand her profession network. So, these are the option true and false. So, the answer of our 21st question is true. Now, the 22nd question is avoiding eye contact shows confidence. True or false? So, the answer of 22nd question is false. Now, the 23rd question is Purva is a social media influencer who tries to be a therapist to people who consult her online. She propagates the idea that it is all right to repress our emotion as no one would genuinely be interested in our feelings, and that is it is always important to maintain a strong demeanor. Purva deserves recognition for the service she provides. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of 23rd question is B. False. Now the 24th question is Suresh believe that life will become more meaningful once we accept the inevitable of death aligns with the philosophy highlighted in this course. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of 24th question is A. True. Now the 25th question is Sarda believes the path to self actualization is the same for all and desires to achieve it before her friends and family members. Sarda has an explicit and informed approach towards self actualization. So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our 25th question is B, false. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.